Hello, it's Paul here. I'm going to give you as quick as I can an introduction to Powtoon 2019, July 2019. So if you're in the future, have a look for the next video or whatever video you're in the year. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to fly through showing you an introduction to Powtoon. So basically, how you can use it, what it's capable of, how easy it is to use. This is not a full training tutorial. What I'll do is I'll add training tutorials later, and if you need to know something, you can ask me a question, and I'll put it in a free training course on my website so that you can get the most out of it. But I just want to give you a full introduction to exactly the power of Powtoon. What's really great for me though is if at this point you just pause me and tell me why you're here. If you leave a comment wherever you're watching it, probably on YouTube, and tell me why you're watching it, what you want to know from this video, and if I know it's not covered in the video, I'll jump in and reply to you and point you to a video that will give you that answer, or it'll give me an idea of what other videos to do for next year, and so on. So if you do me a massive favour and just pause me and tell me why you're here, that gives me some great information on and be able to get you better videos going forward too. Thanks. So we're going to dive in. What I'll do as well is, if you look on the description in YouTube or wherever you're watching, I'll put where each sort of lesson time starts. So we're going to talk about pricing in a second, then I'll give you a walk around, and then each lesson will have a set time, a set introduction time. So just keep an eye out. If you can't watch the whole video in one go, I'm going to give you a timer as where everything starts, okay?